noticed that they're getting a little bit low on room here. So this is quite a big colony, actually. I mean, they're even smoking them. They can't really push down because all the levels below are full of bees. So I'm gonna start adding some of these frames in that I filled up with wax for them, or painted with wax, like I showed in one of my videos. You know what? Oh, there's that mess there. I gotta clean that mess up. That's why. Where's my hive tool at? Okay, relax, relax. Oh my, these girls are just, they're being ruthless right now. We can't have stuff like this here. Actually, this is just getting confusing now.